Juan Hernandez. Juan, what do you think about capital punishment?
So what I think about capital punishment is that it should be abolished because, like in the Crucible, John Proctor and all the people who were hanged, well, they didn't have no second chances to explain what they did, or if they were even guilty of witchcraft. But and then it still connects to the United States right now because capital punishment is still going on, and I mean, they should like just be taken off. In some countries, it has already been taken off, but I think it should be taken off worldwide because well, these people are just dying, and people should deserve second chances in life. So, this is what I think about capital punishment. And capital punishment to me means that when someone gets hanged for a crime they did, or when the judge demands them to get hanged or killed because of the crime they did, and that's what I think about capital punishment.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cut the video.